Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to detect your AI content in your written content. So this one is the content that I have. Now let me go here and type AI content detector, and you can use different tools. For example, 0gpt.com, copyleaks.com. So let me add some text here. I can copy it and then add it here. Now scroll down, click on scan button, and within few seconds here you can get the result. So guys, here you can see this one is AI content. In this way you can easily use this tool. But if you have a lot of content, then you can go here and upgrade your package. So these are the packages that you can use, and these are the features that you will be able to use.